toss, yeah. Yeah. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessing we are reaper, me course in handful. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jackie. Welcome. If you're seeing my face on your screen for the very first time, and welcome back to my returning subscribers. How you doing, roommate? It's been a minute, but we're back again with another makeup tutorial. So I'm not sure what colors we're gonna play in, but without further ado, let's hop right into this video. So here I am thinking of a master plan as to what to put on my eyes, and I decided to hop into my Forest 24 color eyeshadow palette by Profusion, hopping in the orange and putting that in my crease to start this look rolling. Now I must say, I have this palette a while now. It was a gift from a colleague and I haven't popped into a good bit of these colors here, so I have some looks to bring for you guys. Trust and believe. I can't wait, I'm so excited. So now I'm going in with a mixture of the black and brown in that same palette, and I'm using those colors to deepen up the crease to prepare for the next stage. And here I am just blending in those colors together, you know, making them look a little more seamless. Now I'm going to highlight under my brow using the cream color in that same palette and just blend all those colors together so they'll have a seamless transition from darkest to lightest. So I'm attempting to cut my crease. Now I have hooded eyes, so my crease has to be a little bit higher because when my eyes are open, there's a flappy fold kind of situation that goes on my eyes. Like when I smile, my eyes disappear, those kinds of things. That's the story of my life. But I love my eyes. I don't wish for anything else. God saw it fit for me to have the shape eyes that I have. So I'm here cutting the crease. I'm preparing to put some shimmer shades. Okay, so my crease is cut. So we're going in with another palette. 1 minute. So guys, here I am tapping into my Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me palette, and I'm going in with that shimmer green. I'm putting it in the inner third of my eyes. So I wanted this ice gold and green feel, but I didn't have a red. But anyway, we end up making it work. So here I am just tapping in that green. I use a tapping motion to get the shimmer to stay on the concealer. So I don't spread it, I tap it in. So now I'm taking a gold shade from that same Gorgeous Me palette and applying it to the center third of my eyes, and I'll be doing that in a pattern motion, making sure that the shimmer adheres to the concealer, and then I'll blend in between the colors to give it a seamless finish. So guys, here I am tapping into this beautiful berry shade, and this is basically going to be my red, air quotes, for this ice gold and green look. And I was surprisingly, I was like, it looked good. It actually looked good. So we kept it. I tested a whole lot of colors to see what will look good, and this one ended up making it for the win. So, and that's what makeup is about, guys. It's about trial and error and taking chances. So I'm just gonna darken up the crease to the end just a little bit more, add some of those browns and blacks again just to darken up that area. And yeah guys, just keep on watching. So guys, if you made it this far in the video and you have not subscribed yet, what's wrong with you? Come on, join the family. Let's help one another grow and share my videos with your friends. There's a lot of people out here that learn in different ways, and I believe that I can help someone out there just by watching. It's not a class or anything like that. But anyway, right here I'm using a liquid eyeshadow. I'll pop a picture of it so that you guys could see, because I can't remember the name offhand. And I'm too lazy to go find it. Story of my life. Running with lashes, and these are some old lashes that I have from AliExpress, and I'm gonna pop those on. No liner today, just lashes and mascara bottom lash line, and yeah, just pull the look together. I'm loving how it's turning out. I'm loving seeing how it comes together step by step. So just continue watching. I'm gonna shut up now so that you guys could enjoy the rest of this video. Oh gosh, I am so in love with this look, guys. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Well, not really a tutorial, but yeah, I try my best. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for beating my face with me. And I hope you click on another one of my videos and continue watching and continue being a part of the family. Yes, roommate, you're in the house and you're welcome. My hair, this is a flat twist out. My hair was in a protective style. I just took it out. I found it was looking fluffy and cute. So this is like right before wash day. But anyway, just want to tell you guys to be safe. We are in a pandemic. Let's be wise in everything that we do, and remember, put God first, pray, and love one another. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Sending you love, hugs, and mwah, kisses. Bye guys.